Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum, good morning and welcome back to my channel, Isabel Cooking. So for today's vlog, I'm going to show you how to make an easy chicken hamonado. And here's what you need. I have here 1.3 kilo whole chicken, sliced pineapple, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 lemon juice, salt and pepper, and a bunch of lemongrass, and 2 pieces of star anise, and this is a mixing sauce. So guys, I have 2 cups of pineapple juice, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, and half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 3 tablespoons oyster sauce. So yun lang guys, and then okay, next thing I'm gonna do is marinate the chicken. Here I have 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper, then guys, lalagay lang natin yung ating lemongrass, lemon juice. So guys, ganito lang po ako mag-marinate ng chicken, kasama pati yung lemon para yung smell niya guys, yung stink nawawala. Ganun. So guys, marinate for 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours natin to siya guys na ma-marinate para lalong masarap. So yun siya guys, yan lang natin siya ng 3 hours. I-re-ref ulit natin. So guys, isi-serve lang natin yung ating marinated chicken. It's already 3 hours na guys. Okay guys, I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. So isi-share lang natin yung ating chicken. Okay guys, i-pick up na natin yung ating chicken. So guys, ito the same pan at 2 tablespoons of butter, then garlic and onion. Can add in our onion. It's about 1 onion chopped finely and a tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic. Sasato lang natin ang mixture of the native heat. So, we're gonna add in our sauce mixture. Our stranis, brown sugar, season generously with salt and pepper, then we're gonna add in our served chicken. Okay guys, cover the pot with a lid and bring to a boil over high heat. So good. Wow. It's yummy. Okay guys, the chicken is already cooked. Then we're gonna add in our sliced pineapple. Simmer lang natin ng mga about 10 minutes. So guys, here you go. Oh my goodness, it's ready to serve. So this is our finished product guys, chicken hamonado. So napakasarap guys. And guys, lutong-luto yung chicken natin. At ito nga, malambot siya guys. Ito guys, kasi masyadong natatakpan. So, pwede naman natin alisin yung isang pineapple at ipatong na lang dito sa kabila. Ito siya guys. So ito nga guys, enjoy watching, happy cooking. I hope you all enjoy this video, and thank you for supporting me guys. At syempre, magpapaalala. Okay guys, thank you ako sa inyo lahat, sa lahat ng aking to my regular and new subscribers, silent viewers, regular supporters and commenters. Thank you. I really appreciate guys. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like, share, and comment. And please don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification every time I post a new video. Thank you. So guys, please subscribe and like, are big help to me. So please guys, subscribe. Isabel Cooking. And okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Magbabay na ako sa inyo. Stay safe everyone. God bless. Bye. I'll see you soon on my next vlog. Okay, subscribe to my channel to fill up on the latest most hit recipe.